Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm a super, and oh man, it's hot. It's hot in here. So but I got some ice cream and stuff. So please leave a like and subscribe. I got the Tweety again. I got the Tweety and stuff. So yeah. Uh yeah, so make sure to subscribe and like this video. Alright, here we go. Oh, that actually looks good. Oh my gosh, we probably got the perfect one. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. So beautiful. Yes. We got the perfect one and stuff. Got a perfect one and stuff. Yeah, I got it. Yes. We got it. We done it and stuff. It tastes so good. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this video, click the subscribe button, and I and I'm just trying really hard to post the Omega video. Yeah. And I also and stuff. So look at that, we got it. And yeah, that yeah. So let me know in the comments down below if if this if like what if I got a Tweety that looked like that had the white all over it. That has the white all over the eyes. Here, let me show you. Right here. Right here. What if the Tweety actually got it? I think it actually would be the most rarest thing ever. The most rarest kind. So I wonder that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!